One of the most thrilling and fun events at UTV Takeover Coos Bay is the DRT Ice Cream Run to Spin Reel, led by Blake Wilkie. Ride along with the Fueled UTV crew as we join in the mayhem with Austin in his RZR Pro R, Jake in our built-out Xpedition, and Kenny and Matt in the Can-Am Maverick R. All right, everyone, it's Friday morning. We're here at the DRT Ice Cream Run. It's cloudy for ice cream, but hey, we're still gonna get some. So how does the ice cream run work?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. Neither do I.
We've never made it to the end. We always break belts, run out of gas, or something in between.
Yeah.
Last year, we're gonna go get ice cream. That's what we're
ice
doing.
cream this year.
Yeah.
It's 9 o'clock and I want ice cream.
All right, here we go. Friggin' traffic jam. Want to see more of the madness from UTV Takeover? Give this video a like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more of our event coverage and insane UTV build videos.
ride back here. Woo!
Nice job, dude.
Hell yeah.
That was fun.
Blast.
Look at my ugly! Who's got a mile bar here?
I need SDI! Send help, SDI!
Thanks DRT for an awesome event. Fueled UTV is your one-stop shop for all your UTV parts. Hit us up for advice, recommendations, or if you're researching what fits on your machine. Until next time, we'll see you out on the trail. Made it.